Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is HTOMT Brake Bleeder Kit. HTOMT vacuum pump test set works for bleeding brakes and pumping out fluids. You can use it to pump out the fluid in the master cylinder and to bleed the brakes. You also can use it to pump out the power steering fluid. It makes changing brake fluid and power steering fluid quick. It is portable. All the tools and accessories are centrally compactly put on a built-in plastic tool case. Even though fiercely jolted, it won't be damaged. High-quality alloy steel, plastic and rubber, strong and durable. The kit case is well designed and holds a number of attachments in order to do various tasks. The material of our product is high-grade copper alloy and abrasion-proof plastic. It's very durable. The biggest advantage is being able to bleed the brakes without the need of an assistant. It also works great for sealing the jars with dry ingredients, like dry herbs. The brake bleeder tool works with all cars with 45mm threaded hydraulic fluid reservoir caps and is suitable for most European models. This brake bleeder kit is made of high rigidity plastic for enhancing its durability and corrosion resistance. It is perfect for home use. Equipped with a ring wrench to avoid damage to the screw, and a pressure gauge, you can monitor the pressure in the container at any time. This manual brake fluid bleeder pump allows one person to easily, safely, and effectively bleed hydraulic braking and clutch systems. The unique base design makes it more stable while it is working. Our second best brake bleeder kit is Thorstone Brake Bleeder Kit. This one-man manual brake bleeding kit enables you to bleed brakes, test vacuum readings through the pressure gauge, and pump out oil, power steering fluids, and many other fluid types. Can be used on brake and clutch wheel cylinder/caliper, master or slave cylinder. To flush old brake fluid and air, and guide the new fluid to fill the brake system. A manual pump with vacuum gauge could be widely used in testing vehicle vacuum system/household kitchen vacuum sealer to seal food jar, ball jar and vacuum bag. Test and diagnose a wide variety of parts and common systems on your bike, motorcycle, truck, pickup or any other vehicle. Equipped with vacuum gauge, convenient readout of pressure, pressure range, 0 to 30 inches of mercury, 0 to 760 millimeters of mercury. Pressure-proof stolonite, which is stronger than normal material. The metal parts are made of alloy and copper, with strong corrosion-proof performance. Our tubes are made from premium PVC for high resilience, heat resistance, and maximum sealing performance. Brake bleeding of each will takes less than 5 minutes with great ease. Include vacuum pump with gauge, 4.5 ounces reservoir jar, 3 transparent hoses, 6 adapters, 2 connectors and a blow mold case for easy transportation and storage. Meets all your needs. Third in our list is DURATECH Brake Bleeder Kit. Brake booster kit comes with a vacuum gauge that can be widely used to test vehicle vacuum systems / as a vacuum sealer. Equipped with a vacuum gauge to help you take accurate readings. The hose is made from premium material for resilience, heat resistance and reliable sealing performance. The contoured design of the handle gives you a firm grip during use, so you can operate quickly and comfortably. Handheld vacuum pump kit comes complete with accessories. Includes handheld vacuum pump with vacuum gauge, 4.05 ounces reservoir jar, 4 transparent hoses, 3 different adapters and connectors included to allow you to use this toolkit on cars, bikes, motorcycles and other vehicles. DURATECH brake system bleeding tools enable you to check vacuum-operated automotive components, bleeding air from hydraulic systems and siphoning fluids. Creates both pressure and vacuum. It will help make an automotive repair or maintenance task easier. This manual brake fluid bleeder kit features a convenient one-man operated design. You can hold the handle to stabilize it. This simple 2-liter brake fluid pump bleeder is a must for bleeding brakes single-handed. The easy pump action and visual gauge allow this task to be performed quickly and effectively with the minimum of effort. Equipped with an adapter is supplied for fitting to European vehicles. Number 4 in our best brake bleeder kit list is ZJERYL GULL Handheld Brake Bleeder Key. Hand vacuum pump kit comes with a vacuum gauge to help you take accurate readings. Pressure range, 0 to 30 inches Hg, 0 to 760 millimeters of mercury. It includes accessories for brake bleeding and automotive diagnostics. The vacuum pump kit can test and diagnose a variety of parts and general systems on bikes, motorcycles, trucks, pickups or any other vehicle. Our vacuum system tester is suitable for pumping out air, oil, steering fluid and other fluids and directing new oil to fill the entire system. The best part is that you can operate the bleeder yourself without any assistant. The vacuum pump kit case is made of high-quality plastic material, simple and lightweight, durable and strong enough. Easy to transport and store for home and commercial applications. The vacuum pump kit case is made of high-quality plastic material, simple and lightweight, durable and strong enough. Easy to transport and store for home and commercial applications. Handheld vacuum pump kit includes hand pump with gauge, 4 clear hoses, 4.5 ounces reservoir, 8 adapters and portable case for all your needs. The ergonomically designed wrench allows you to unscrew the filling hole easily at any time. Monitor the internal air pressure so that you can work safely with this tool. This vacuum brake bleeder kit includes a variable thumb throttle to maintain an even airflow rate. Built-in integrated silencer of the brake vacuum pump bleeder allows the brake fluid to flow quietly, helps prevent spills and messes, improve work efficiency. Our last pick is LIYYOO Brake Bleeder Kit. This brake bleeder kit / handheld vacuum pump test set is a multifunctional vacuum pump that is used to test a variety of essential vehicle settings and operations. The kit includes different adapters designed for all vehicles, suitable for both home and business applications. By using some of the included accessory caps and fittings, it can also be used as a brake bleeder. The kit includes a hand pump with vacuum gauge, reservoir jar with 2 lids, 4 transparent hoses, 8 adapters and blow molding case, meeting many practical needs. Simple operation, convenient readout of pressure, pressure range, 0 30 inches Hg, 0 to 760 millimeters Hg. Easily bleed brakes by yourself. One-man handheld brake / clutch bleeding system. There are 3 sizes brake bleeder valve adapters. Choose the closest size to ensure a tight fit. Squeeze the handle manually to generate negative pressure in the braking system and then suck out the waste oil and air. Bleed master cylinder first, then wheel cylinders and calipers in succession, beginning with the wheel closest to the master cylinder and progressing to the one farthest from it. This brake fluid extractor pump includes a 2-liter fluid reservoir and a 1-liter refilling bottle, which is designed to fit most vehicle brake oil bleeder fittings and use with most standard and ABS brake systems, and can be operated by one person. This brake bleeder pump comes with 2 universal silicone hoses and 17 interchangeable hose ports to fit most models. Designed for most types of brake drain accessories, and for most standard and ABS brake systems on cars, trucks, snowmobile, ATVs and motorcycles.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!